grab a plain sheet of white paper, fold it into a triangle, and then cut off the extra piece as you see in the video. Then start folding it. And then flip it over and fold it again into the middle. Now you want to gently bend each way so you're able to put your fingers in it, as seen in the video. Now you want to write colors on each section. Feel free to choose any colors that you want. You'll write a total of 4. And then on the inside, go ahead and place numbers. And then on the inside flaps is where you're going to write the activities that your family may end up doing for the summer, for that particular day. If you need some ideas, please refer to the article below. Now it's time to play. First you start picking a color, then you count R-E-D, and then you pick a number in the middle, and then counting that number, then you pick a number that shows up, and under that number is the activity for the day. Surprise, it looks like we're going to Old Brick Botanical Gardens today. Enjoy, happy creating!